In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to storyboard videos using slides and export frames in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable method to plan your shots, capture direction, and export clean frames you can drop straight into your video editor. First, let's set up the canvas so your storyboard matches the final video. In PowerPoint, go to Design, then Slide Size, and choose Custom Slide Size. Pick the aspect ratio that fits your target platform, like 16:9 for most horizontal videos, 9:16 for vertical, or 1:1 for square. Matching this now prevents awkward cropping later. Confirm your choice and apply it to the presentation so every slide reflects your final format. Now, treat each slide as one shot or scene. Think of a slide as a snapshot of what the viewer will see. Add the key elements that convey the moment. Simple visuals, placeholder images, shapes, or arrows to show movement, and brief on-screen text if needed. Keep it clear and uncluttered so the intent is obvious at a glance. If you have a series of similar shots, duplicate a slide and tweak it to preserve consistency. Giving each slide a short scene label in the title area can help you stay organized. Use the Notes pane to capture direction. Open the Notes pane at the bottom and write what needs to happen in that shot. The dialogue line, timing cues, camera movements like pan or zoom, and any action or emotion. This is also a great place for sound or music cues. The idea is that someone reading the notes should understand exactly how the shot should play without guessing. When your slides are ready, export them as frames. Go to File, Export, change file type, and choose PNG or JPEG. PNG is ideal for crisp graphics and text, while JPEG works well for photographic images. Choose your destination folder, then select all slides so PowerPoint creates an individual image for every scene. Each slide will save as a separate file, making it easy to arrange in your editor. Finally, organize the exported frames. Name the files sequentially, Scene 01, Scene 02, and so on, using leading zeros so they sort properly. Keep them in a clearly labeled folder for the project. Most editing software will recognize the order instantly, and some can even import them as an image sequence. With your notes as reference, you can quickly build a rough cut, time your edits, and share a clear plan with collaborators. That's it. You've created a clean storyboard, captured direction, exported frames, and organized them for editing, all inside PowerPoint.